Cependant, c'est Vadu Izei qui remporte la médaille d'or pour notre visite en Roumanie, dans la région historique de la Transylvanie, où la culture hongroise et ukrainienne y est entremêlée.
I'm Ioana Muntean. We are in Vadu Izei, Maramures, Romania. This house was built in my parents-in-law with my husband together, also decorated in old style. The wooden gates are a symbol in Maramures. It's a symbol to repel the evil. It's like a border to protect the family. Another traditional decoration from the past, we keep it from our grandfather, grandparents, grandparents. Everybody was raised in tradition and family to keep the tradition, the roots. So first going to the church. Every Sunday we wear the traditional clothes. It's a tradition that you see only in Maramures. This one is made by hand by my grandmother. It's not very easy to make that. Has like 100 years old. Wow. I done. This one was made by my mom. 70 could be 60, 70 years old also made by hand. This and the pride and the joy to have and keep this in the family. This is a vest that my dad was wearing when he was a groom.
For his marriage?
For his marriage, yes.
Wow. Because everybody knows how to dance.
Who likes to dance? Who likes music? Wants to know how to dance?
Yeah, but everybody knows.
Yes.
All the
If you don't know how to dance, traditional dancers say, "Oh, you're from here and you don't know how to dance." Yeah. Do you want to try it? See how?
Yeah,
Sure, please.
This is an honor.
This is an honor.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
And try with the hat too. They still wear this in.
Really?
Yes.
This is perfect. This is really, really perfect. This is the warmest thing I ever wore in my entire life.
Not far from here, we have an old washing machine, traditional and craft washing machine. The water comes from the river and spinning in a bottle of, made by wood, and there the big carpets are washed there. It's like a natural washing machine. The carpets are natural made by hand and they need to be washed in the natural washing machine.
Oh, super good.